Hello everyone, in front of me is REALME GT7 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So at first open the settings, then find and select System and Updates, go to Backup and Reset, and here open Google Backup. If you do not have your account added to this device yet, you will have to log in, so just provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your device, along with the password. So then just mark data that you wish to backup. In my case it's everything, so both photos and videos along with other device data. Then mark confirm and go to manage backup to customize it anyhow if you want to do it. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.